Today we're going to review the basic procedure of how to create a product within FTx Cloud POS. We'll start by logging into Control Center. Once logged in, we can navigate to Point of Sale, then to Pricebook, and then finally we have the Products section. To create a product, we'll click the green Add New button in the top right corner. From here, we can add all the information that will be used to track and identify this particular product. If the product has a UPC, make sure that the Active tab is clicked to Yes. Then enter the UPC. If this is an in-house created UPC, the remaining digits will populate to complete the UPC. We will then name the product. For example, we'll name this Arizona Peach Iced Tea. Next, we must select the category that the product will be placed into. In this example, we'll choose Beverages Non-Tax. Additionally, this category has subcategories in an overall category tree to better identify it. Then we'll add a manufacturer, in this case, Arizona. Optionally, we can add any tags that may be useful for grouping this item later on, for example, tall boy cans, non-taxed items, or peach-flavored items. This can be used for mass adding products to a discount or buy-down, for example. Finally, we must choose the department that this product will go into, in this case, department number 59 for non-tax beverages. Below, we can choose the pricing for this product. This would include adding how much the product costs, and what price it will be selling for to the customer, followed by the price margin for those two values. Optionally, we can set a cost and then change the margin for margin-based pricing. If the product may be located in a different Pricebook zone, you can differentiate that here as well. To the right, we can add any parent-child relationship information that may be associated with this product. As an example, if we were to sell a 12-pack of Arizona iced tea as a whole, but individual cans separately, once an entire package has been completely sold, a new package can be opened and automatically separated into individual items. This is helpful when separating cartons of cigarettes, cartons of soda cans, boxes of candy, etc. Lastly, if there is a vendor part associated with this product, we can flip the switch to Yes and add the vendor, the part number units, the part number itself, and the cost of those units. This concludes how to create a product within FTx Cloud POS. For more information, please visit our website at goftx.com.